Hello everybody, welcome to Shumatt's channel. This is Caitlin. Today the product we're going to show you is fuel injector. Okay, now follow me. Let's take a look. White nitro box. The product code is 0445120-368. Support customized service. Each spare part will already use protection cover to protect it. This is the injector nozzle part. And then it's the control valve here with two apertures. This one is the oil inlet, another one is oil outlet. The solenoid valve you can see on the one side print with the product code and QR code here. 6 months warranty time for this injector. So you got the quality guaranteed. Each product before we send out delivery, we'll make the test and we will check it. Alright, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time here. Wish you have a good day. See you.